Hey everyone, imagine you're driving and suddenly your transmission won't shift. Your car stays stuck in one gear, and no matter how much you try, the shifter just won't respond. You plug in a scanner and see P0920. This code is linked to the gear Shift Forward Actuator Circuit, a key part of your vehicle's transmission system. In this video, I'll explain what causes this issue, where the sensor is located, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is DTC P0920? DTC P0920 stands for Gear Shift Forward Actuator Circuit Malfunction. The Gear Shift Forward Actuator controls how your car shifts into forward gears. If this circuit fails, the vehicle may not engage gears properly, leading to shifting problems or transmission failure. Common symptoms of P0920: hard or delayed shifting into forward gears, car stuck in neutral or limp mode, check engine light on, transmission warning light activated, no response from the gear shifter. Sensor and component location, very important. Gear shift forward. Actuator location, usually mounted on the side of the transmission near the shift solenoid assembly. In some vehicles it's inside the transmission valve body. Transmission Control Module TCM location, typically located under the dashboard near the battery or inside the transmission. Wiring harness and connectors location, runs between the gear shift forward actuator and the TCM, routed along the transmission housing. Always refer to your vehicle's manual for exact locations. What causes P0920? Faulty gear shift forward actuator. The actuator isn't engaging gears properly. Broken or corroded wiring, damaged wires between the actuator and TCM. Faulty transmission control module TCM, sending incorrect signals. Blown fuse or damaged relay. Power loss to the actuator circuit, internal transmission problems, mechanical failure inside the shift mechanism. How to fix P0920? Step 1. Check wiring and connectors, look for loose or frayed wires. Step 2. Test the gear shift forward actuator, use a multimeter or scan tool. Step 3. Inspect the transmission control module, TCM, scan for additional error codes. Step 4. Replace any faulty fuses or relays, ensure proper power supply. Step 5. Check for mechanical damage in the shift system. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive the vehicle. Final words. Ignoring P0920 can lead to serious transmission damage. Fixing it early can save you from costly repairs. For more OBD-II error codes, check out these videos. P0706. Transmission range sensor circuit performance. P0707. Transmission range sensor circuit low input. This is IG Garage, your trusted source for car repairs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.